Okay, this is one fat cat. Look at him. Hey, Miley. How you doing, Miley? Did you have a long night? Yeah? Look at your big old butt. Look at your big old butt. It's so big. He's too cute. He's too cute. I don't know why I'm inside when I could be out there playing in the pool. Oh no, I can't even see blinds. He just had to take a picture of you, Miley. You and your big old butt. Eat a big old butt. Funny cat. Oh, let's not watch that. What's he doing? Buddha? Buddha, Buddha.